that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Hurela hair. They went ahead and sent me this really gorgeous curly unit. It is their Jerry Curly 13x4 lace frontal wig in 26 inches, so it's giving length, okay honey, and I'm living for it. In today's video, as you guys can see, I did an install today. So what I showed you was how I detangled the hair, how I did my baby hairs, how I laid the hair down, and just how I got it looking like this. I do show you guys what curling custard I use, and this is literally my holy grail. I love how nice and soft it pairs with hair and lets it feel like this is definitely the #1 curling cream that I use in all my tutorials for curly hair. But this unit, the curls, the pattern is everything. And if you'd like to see how I did my whole install, stay tuned. As always, the links for this wig will be in the description box for you to purchase. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around.
See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess behind the story goes. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for your flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep, deep.
finally back, and as you can see from the title, this wig is from Hurela Hair. They went ahead and sent me their Jerry Curly 13x4 lace frontal wig in 26 inches. So right now it's definitely giving very much a bang for your buck, because when I swing this hair around to the back, it goes down to about 24 inches. So that is something that I love about certain curly hairs, like the length retention is there, because you know, if it's curlier it shrinks up, but once you stretch it, it's true to length. This is like damn near 26 inches. So far so good. The hair is really nice and full. This wig was thick, okay honey. When it was time to first detangle, because I took the wig off and put it on right then and there, it was definitely a moderate amount of shedding, but I'm pretty sure because I just did it now, it's just gonna be way easier to detangle as I, you know, protect and maintain the curls that I have now. By at night, if you're sleeping, just twist it up before you go to bed. That way you'll avoid tangles, or put in a pineapple and put it in a bonnet. Like, it's so many ways to preserve your curly hair, so you could just shake and go the next day. But right now I'm really loving this hair. The texture is gorgeous. Like, the curls are literally everything. It's not too deep and it's not too loose, so it's the perfect in between. And that is pretty much it. I do love this hair. It is really good quality and it's very nice and soft. So if you would like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.